Hey guys, this is Brian with Beast Ride DIY. I'm at Home Depot to show you some of their 2024 Black Friday deals. So this first one is really cool. It's a rechargeable LED work light from Handy Bright, and the deal with this is it's an actually buy one get one free, and you can try it out. So it's a 5-in-1 work light. I'm going to show you how this works here. You just press the button, it shines through the main portion. It has different lights, and you can shine it through the top, and it has like a red strobe light as well. And for $388, this was $698. It's a hair clog spinning system from the, I think it says Drain Weasel. This extends to 18 inches. And this is pretty good for sinks. It's got the Velcro, trappers on the end, which is really good at getting hair. You could use it for bathtubs too. Now look, they got cute with this one. It's a $19 27-in-1 screwdriver here. This is from Milwaukee. It was $29, but they have all the different bits that you put inside the actual screwdriver. Now there's the poodle in the background, but for $99, it's a 270-piece 3-drawer mechanics tool set. Has the 1/4 inch, 3/8 of an inch, and 1/2 inch drive kits here. Has multi-drawers. And then for $997, you get to choose between these 200 lumen headlights or the 300 lumen flashlights. I really like the headlights. These are nice at 200 lumens. A lot of times you just get the 100 lumens, especially with these small flashlights. We had some, but they were only 100 lumens, but these are 300. And that's pretty powerful for a flashlight that size. Now for the headlamps, these are 550 lumens, and it says it has 6 different modes. Now gifts under 15 bucks, they've got these aviation snips for $12. For 14, they've got the magnetic screwdriver set. 11, they've got this ratcheting screwdriver, and then from Husky, they have these box cutters here. Now look at this. This is pretty cool. It's only $34 for this quadcopter drone with Wi-Fi camera. It's an X31 Shockwave, it says. This would be a really cool gift for like a teenager or someone at your home. I wish it had the ratings on it though. So $9, it was $29. These are the Northern Skylights. It's kind of that popular thing on TikTok where it's just shining the stars on your room. And they have these each year, at least the last 2 or 3 years. These lights you just kind of screw into your garage light, or you could put it in anywhere, but it just makes it a lot brighter with the LED lights. Now for $24 is this GFCI receptacle tester. It's a $36 value and a special buy. And next up from Rigid, I'm not sure why they stacked them like this, but it's $299. It was $369 for this 7-inch tile saw and stand. But like I said, I'm not sure why they stacked them on their side like that. And $79, you're saving $20 here on this brushless compact blower. Kind of like a job site blower. It's got 220 CFMs. And the actual pipe at the end here, I think that's longer than I thought it would be. And this is the tool only though, I think. That's the only caveat. For $19.97, they've got these 850 lumen rechargeable headlamps. That's a pretty high lumen for a headlamp. And they have the bottom portion here, which actually is really cool. It's a nice feature. I'm going to go ahead and test this out for you. Not shine it in your eyes. So it's a pretty bright light. And then it has a red light feature. You can see that. I didn't know that at first. And this is a Husky 1200 lumen flashlight. So it's a very powerful flashlight, and it's pretty heavy. It was heavy when I picked it up, or heavier than I expected it to be. Now for $99 from Dewalt is this atomic 20-volt brushless 1/2 inch drill driver kit. It's a 2 amp hour kit. It was $159, and now this comes with the bag as well. It's the bag, charger, and the battery. And they had these all alarmed up, so I couldn't touch the box or it would have started going off. Now for $169, this was $249. It's a 290-piece mechanics tool set. And this one's an $80 savings, and you're getting the big box with 3 different drawers. Now if you want something just for kind of more DIY work, this is $49. And this is going to be their 94-piece mechanics tool set. It's got almost 5 stars. It was $79. And this just looks like a standard toolbox with the different size sockets and everything. So felt pretty sturdy when I picked it up. And then they had all these just different hex key tools for $997. The hex key set, it's a 26-piece set. And then for $19.97, they had this 46-piece stubby tool set. It was $28. And this is just what it looks like. It has almost 5 stars. It looks like a nice case too. I just wish it had like a little handle for the case. I think it has something on the right, but I think that's just a clip and not the handle. But $13.97, it was $21 is this 2-piece groove joint plier set. So that's pretty sturdy. From Makita, for $199 is this subcompact 1.5 amp hour brushless 2-tool kit, where you get the drill driver, impact driver, tool bag, and the charger. Now for $24 is the Impact XPS 50-piece impact driver or drill bit and fastening set. You can see all the different pieces. It's saying this is a $90 value here. And then this is the 2-tool piece set. And then this one is the, I think it's the 6-piece set, or the 7-tool kit, I'm sorry. For $449, they're saying it's an $895 value with all these tools pictured. Now for $29.97, it was $44, is the Shockwave Impact Duty 23-piece titanium drill bit set. And the thing I like about this is the way they insert the drill bits in is you're inserting them down in and not just clicking them backwards where they can fall out. So that's one thing I like about that. And you can see all these different Milwaukee deals. They had these all, just for many feet. You could see these. For $179, it was $239 is this 18-volt compact 2-tool kit. And then for $99, they had these other kits, and I'll show you that in a second. This box looked a little damaged from the sensor line for some reason. And then you get to choose from these for $99, the 1/4-inch impact driver kit. That's a $317 value, or the 1/2-inch drill driver kit. And they also had the 175-watt power supply. And that's the power supply. And then here for $74, you're getting the 60-piece set. And these are some drill bit sets. For the 15-piece set's going to be $19. You're saving $10 on this one. And the 90-piece set is $49. I think that's a good deal, and I'll show that one to you in just a minute. They had all these stocked up. I don't know if anyone had not just picked them up yet. But look down here. That's the 90-piece set. Look how many different drill pieces that has. And I really like the box that it comes in, or the carrying case. But I think that's a pretty good deal. $49 for a 90-piece Shockwave set from Milwaukee. Let me know what you think, though. Now, this is your choice for $199. You've got the 12-volt 5-tool kit for 1.5 amps. And then this is the 3/8-inch ratchet and 1/4-inch impact driver kit, where you're getting the charger, 2 batteries, and the tools. And then this, you're getting the 4 or 5 different tools with the bag as well. Now, your choice for $24, you can get the oscillating blade set or the Sawzall set. I'll show that to you in more depth in a second. You've got the 14-inch top handle chainsaw for $299, or the safety glasses for $24. And this is the Sawzall blades here. I think you're getting a 12th one for free is what this is saying. And they have everything down below. Everything looks stocked up. Now from Dewalt, they had for $149, it was $199, the 2-pack 20-volt max batteries. These are the 5 amp hour batteries. They had 2 left, which I would assume they'd put out more just because it's so early in November. Now for $129, this is $50 savings for the 3-inch cutoff saw. The 4.5-inch circular saw and the reciprocating saw were both $129. I think they were $169 before. And some people say, but it's just a Ryobi. They had a Ryobi section. Your choice for $49, they had the scrubber kit, ratchet kit. You could choose between all these. The glue kit, the LED light. Now this is the compact speaker, and this one's actually going to be $79. They had a few different items over there that were $79. This one here is the glue pen kit, and the ratchet kit was actually on the cheaper side. That was the $49. Now for $129, you're saving $20 here in this 4 amp hour battery. $149, you get to choose between the blower kit and the wheeled snow shovel, which may come in handy soon. I didn't see the snow shovel on the right, but I'm sure they had it in the back. Now for $49, this is a $30 savings on this 1-gallon wet dry vac from Ryobi. And from Dewalt is for $119. You're saving $40 on this 1600 amp jump starter and digital inflator. The one thing I like about those is they have the long extensions for the jump starters, which do come in handy. Now this is the one for $139. It was $159. Is this 8-gallon 150 psi hot dog compressor? They had a few of these. They had probably 6 in stock here. Now from Rigid for $79 is this 3-gallon wet dry vac. This is one of their exclusive deals, and this does have an interesting look. It kind of has a more, I almost said rigid look, no pun intended. But for $119, it says it's a $189 value. It's one of their special deals. It's the 3-ton low-profile floor jack with quick lift. It says it has a 6,000-pound lift capacity, as well as 888 5-star reviews. I do like when they put the reviews on the actual billboard here. They didn't have a ton of crazy deals for Husky when I saw what I saw here, but a few did stand out. For $24.97, it was $44. They had the 3 pry bar set, and these were all stocked up here. I do remember they had these last year too. Now this was a pretty decent one though, from 62 now down to 34. This 11-piece 1/2-inch deep socket set. So this was a pretty huge set, and I couldn't even pull it out without putting my foot up here to pull out the whole socket set. But definitely a lot of sockets. For $788, it's a $23 value. It's a 6-piece impact socket adapter set. It's saying these are laser marked and black oxide coated. And next to it for $49, they had the 110-piece homeowner toolkit. And these are good if someone just moved into an apartment, kind of like DIY work. It's a nice gift item for someone if they're using that. And then $48, they had this 3-gallon 120 PSI pancake compressor. It was $69, so you're getting some savings on that. And now this is $9.97. This is half off. It's the Ultra 6-piece socket bit set. And they had these all tangled up here too with the sensors. If you are going to buy something, guys, let me know in the comments if you see something that interests you or something that stuck out to you that you might be interested in. Now these are all $79. These are some job site radios from Dewalt. It's a palm sander. A 20-volt max task light was $119. And they did have these all stocked up. That's the palm sander here. This is the 20-volt max heat gun for $99. The 3-amp-hour 2-pack of batteries for $99 as well was $169. And then the stick vacuum for $99. It was $149. But that one is the tool only, so you will need a battery for it. This is the box of the 2 batteries. And then this is the compact task light. For $5.97, it was $11. This is black and gold 10-piece twist drill bit set. And you've got the black markings on these, and they had quite a few in stock. For $99, this is a $307 value. Their Atomic 20-volt max oscillating multi-tool kit. And then for $99, they had this 55-foot self-green leveling laser level. The thing I liked about this is it came in its own box, which I think is important if you're getting like a laser level kit. Although I don't know why it has only 4 out of 5 stars. That's something you may want to just review online before you pick up, just in case. For $249, they had this Max XR 18-gauge brad nailer. That's the tool only. A 23-gauge pin nailer kit with a 2-amp-hour battery setup. You're saving $50 there. And then the tool only narrow crown stapler, the 18-gauge, says that one you're saving $50. And you can see all these were fairly well stocked up. But from Milwaukee, we have the circular saw. And the deal on this was $149, so you're saving $50. It's a 7¼ inch 18-volt brushless circular saw. For $99, you're getting the 18-volt multi-tool starter kit. And now for $99 from Milwaukee, you're getting to choose from one of these tools here. And I'll go through all these. It's the 5-inch cutoff grinder paddle switch tool, the dual power floodlight. Now these are the tools only. Heat gun, reciprocating saw, random orbital sander, one-handed reciprocating saw, floodlight. Sorry, so starting at the reciprocating saw, these ones are going to be $79. Floodlight and then the 2 batteries. Now for $99, it was $149, is this 3-inch cutoff saw. It's a 12-volt M12 tool, 4 out of 5 stars. So with Milwaukee, you're usually getting 5 out of 5, which is weird. Now look at this, it's $179 was $229. You're getting the hammer drill driver, impact driver, 2 batteries, and the bag. And this is the 2-piece straight draw plier set for $19. Now this is the Ryobi section. They had about 4 or 5 sections of Ryobi stuff. So this is $20 off at $69. It's the 22-inch rolling toolbox. with the Lego top, I like to say, because it looks like a Lego piece. Now this is the speed bench for $199. I think this is $100 off. And what you can use these for is you can put your saw set up on top, use it to cut, and then use it as a cart when you're done and just take your toolbox and stuff with it. So that can be pretty handy. Now for $149 at $50 off is this Airstrike 16 gauge straight finish nailer. And one thing I did want to mention, guys, go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you are finding value in this content. So for $39 is this 15-piece router bit set. Now this is saying it's a $100 value. I'm going to show you a close-up of what the different drill bits do, and they have an overlay of what you can do with the separate drill bits, or the router bits, I'm sorry. Now for $79 you can get this compact router, belt sander, or the 3¼ inch hand planer. For $39 it's a $10 savings on this power inverter. It's the tool only, so keep that in mind. It has a power guide on the back if you're interested. Now for $129 you get these different tools, or your choice of the different tools. The 7¼ inch circular saw, reciprocating saw, hammer drill, angle grinder, brushless multi-tool, or the brushless jigsaw here. Now these are the tools only, but just keep that in mind here. Now for $99 you get this 2-packed 1+ 18-volt battery, 2 amp hour, 4 amp hour kit. So that comes with the batteries and the charger. And for $199, this is $100 off this 6-tool 1.5 amp hour and 4.5 amp hour kit. So with this you're getting the 1/2 inch drill driver, 1/4 inch impact driver, circular saw, reciprocating saw, multi-tool, and LED light, along with the 4 amp hour, 1.5 amp hour battery, charger, and the tool bag. Now for $29, you're saving $10 on this 22-inch standard Ryobi toolbox. I'll go ahead and open it up for you and kind of show you the inside of it. The one thing with it is it looks like it's more of like a stackable toolbox just because the handle's on the side, but it does have the movable inside compartments and does look pretty sturdy. So this is a Ryobi pet vacuum. You're saving $50 here at $199. So this looks like it's specialty for pets, comes with everything you need, and the top actually comes apart into like a hand type vacuum, which is pretty neat. Now your choice for $89, you can get this 1.5 amp hour compact drill driver kit or the 1/4 inch impact drill driver kit. Now for $59, this is 1.5 amp hour kit. It's a drill driver kit. Pretty standard, but the price is pretty decent on this, I think. And for $19.97, you get this 2-pack 25-foot compact magnetic tape measure. They're saying it's got the stiff blade here, which is a pretty nice tape measure. And you're going to buy one of these, you get the item on the right for free, and I'll show you what that's going to be. They've got the circular saw, reciprocating saw, and you're going to get this free $194 value charger and starter pack. And they did have everything stocked up, but it was all locked up, of course. Now for $139, they've got the 18-volt subcompact brushless 2 amp hour 2 tool kit, as well as the one-handed reciprocating saw kit for a little bit less at $129. Now for $69, you're saving $20 on this 18 gauge brad nailer. And from Dewalt, $149, you're saving from $229 on that kit there. So go ahead and check out this next video, guys, with more savings. And go ahead and like this video if you haven't already. Thanks so much, guys.